Gikone to koro Lakteche e kaonti ma Nyamira ochungo ng'anyo margi ma osebedo ka timore kuom thuolo mar juma achiel. Okang' ma ochopie tok bago twaka kod winjruok e kindgi gi tend kaonti no. Ka giloso e kar log tich mar kaonti no kama ne gichuoe kogno mar winjruok, chenro ma otelie gi gavana Amos Nyaribo gi jakom riwruog Lakteche Nyanza Onyango Ndonga. Gilero ni tend kaonti no dhi neno ni lakteche go owinj ywak gi kamoting'o meto mar osara, medo bero chenro mag ute thieth kaachiel gi medo gi lemo e tijegi.
This marks the end of a strike that has been going on for the past 1.5 weeks. It marks also the birth of a probably symbiotic relationship between us and Nyamira County. Tomorrow morning, there will be a consignment of drugs that will be received in Nyamira County. We are hoping that these drugs are going to get to the patients as soon as possible. Number two, on some of the intermediate terms issues that we have raised are issues of equipment available for our surgeons, that within the next few months, when they are making the supplementary budget, the county wants to acquire new equipment that are going to enable these surgeons to offer their surgical services in the local hospitals in Nyamira instead of us referring patients to other counties.
We have engaged and agreed that some of the issues they had will be addressed immediately and some will be staggered so that in 6 months I think everything will be addressed. The drugs are reaching Nyamira tonight for distribution tomorrow. Number two, going forward, because there was a small budget, we are going to address the shortage of cash, of drugs and equipment through supplement.
Piny owacho mamalo oketo ayanga